everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these fantastic beast sugar cookies. We have a niffler, bowtruckle, swooping evil, and an arumphet to make. For this recipe, you'll need flour, baking soda, baking powder, butter, white sugar, an egg, and vanilla extract. Begin by measuring evenly 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and put it in your bowl. Here I realized the bowl that I chose was a bit too small, so I got a bigger one. You don't need one as big as the one I got, but still big is preferable. Next up is adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Combine the ingredients a little bit and set this aside for later. For this next part, you need quite a large bowl, about double the size of the one I chose. I made a little mistake and got my old bowl from before instead of my even bigger one. Next up is 1 cup of butter, softened. It shouldn't be as melted as mine. I stuck it in the microwave for a bit too long. The next ingredient is a whole 1½ cups of pure white sugar. Now stir these 2 ingredients together until they're combined quite smoothly. Next up is 1 entire egg added to the mixture. Lastly is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, combine all these ingredients until smooth. Now it's time to add the dry and wet ingredients together. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet, stirring as you go. Here I realized my mistake of having a very small bowl for the wet ingredients. Since you're adding all the ingredients to one bowl at this time, it's best that the wet ingredients be in the larger of the 2 bowls. Now combine this mixture until it's completely smooth and a dough-like form. If you're like me and you hate using spoons, try using your hands for this part. It can be a bit easier. If the mixture is too wet, add a bit more flour, but if it's too dry, add a teeny bit of water. Roll it up into a ball and stick some saran wrap over it. It's going to go in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. I decided to cut the dough into 4 pieces to make rolling it out a bit easier. Try to roll it to about 1.5 centimeters in thickness. Next up, get your Fantastic Beasts cookie cutters or any cookie cutters you want to use. Covering your pan with aluminum foil makes cleanup a bit easier. Try to leave about 1 centimeter distance between the cookies to allow for expansion in the oven. Bake at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Let cool on a wire rack, and there you have it, Fantastic Beasts sugar cookies.